Welcome back, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur, and let us continue with chapter 10 of your Mowgli novel. So, the name of your chapter 10 is Leaving the Jungle. In this chapter, we are going to read that how Mowgli leave the jungle, what are the circumstances at that very time, and what are his emotions when he leave the jungle, and what happens after that when he leave the jungle, what type of his life is there. So let us start. So 2 years after Akila's death, in previous chapter, that 9th chapter ends at the death of Akila. So 2 years after Akila's death, Mowgli was no longer a boy, he was a man now, and Mowgli was a master of jungle. Everyone obey his orders, everyone love him and also obey his orders. It was the time of the spring season, and the spring season is for the animals when they create their offsprings. Animals call it the time of a new life. Their new life starts at the spring season. So Mowgli felt unhappy because he is alone there in the jungle. He went through the darkness into the new village. He became unhappy. He also didn't know why he feel unhappy, because all animals are busy in their families, so he is feeling somewhere unhappy in his heart. So he didn't know it was the village where Mesua now lived. He moved to a new village. In the darkness he run, and at the end he reached a village, but he didn't know that his mother is there in that village. So it was only by chance that the first hut he came to was Mesua's hut. Slowly the strange unhappiness left him as he ate and drank with Mesua. So when he was unhappy in the jungle, when he was alone, but now when he met with his mother, he became happy. When he drank, ate food with his mother, he feel like that unhappiness goes away. When he woke up next day, he found Grey Brother outside his house. Before Grey Brother could speak, a girl came down a path which led to the village. Previously, he saw that girl sometimes near the jungle area, but now when he wake up next morning, he found the Grey brother came at the door of Mesua's hut. He's asking, Grey Brother, what happens? Is everything all right in the jungle? Why you came so early here in the village? Grey Brother didn't speak anything, but on that very time the girl came in front of the Mowgli. So their eyes met for a moment and Mowgli felt a happy feeling. So both of them see each other and feel happiness inside. At the end, they all gathered at the council rock. Mowgli told everyone about his decision to begin a family. So now Mowgli's thinking also changed. Previously he think that he just stay there with the animals. His life is only there with the wolves and the other animals. He is emotionally attached with the wolves, with Bhalu, with Bagheera, with Kaa. All animals really love him. But now he also came to know that this is not possible for a human being to stay at the end of his life with the animals. So now at that very time he called all the animals at the council rock and start the meeting. In that very meeting, he told to everybody about his decision that I also want to begin my family. I found my mother, now I want to marry with that girl. Mowgli smiled and looked last time at his friends and said, I will take your lessons with me. You are one blood. We are one blood, you and I. That same dialogue which we read from chapter 1 till chapter 10, that what he said at the end, I learned so many things from all of you, from all animals. I see so many tricks, so many lessons. So now I am going, but I will take all your lessons in my brain, in my heart. And so he speak a dialogue at the end. We are of one blood, you and I. So this is the end of your Mowgli novel. It is just an interesting novel. Read that last chapter carefully. And now let us start with your homework section. First, there are the lines which you have to arrange number wise. Like Mowgli sees a girl on the path to the village. But at first what happens before all these? Mowgli does not understand why he feels so unhappy. At the starting of the chapter, only lines are there on the base of unhappiness of Mowgli. So you have to arrange them in a order. Next question answers. Why did you think Mowgli didn't understand when the animals told him he must go to his own place? Because he himself didn't understand about his inner feelings, that what he feel, why he feel unhappy. And what lessons you learned from your family, that was your own point of view. You have to write your own views, what things you have learned from your family as well as friends. And next one is culture corner. In this you will discuss the following questions which are there. For example, first is, do you think jungles are important to our planet? Explain, write your own views, how jungles are important for us. And at the last, there are 6 morals are given to you. You will have to select the appropriate moral of the novel. So this is all in your novel. Read each and every line carefully so that afterwards you will able to answer the questions. Thank you.